Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Class 8, we are going to discuss the exercises of chapter number 8, electricity. Now first is fill in the blanks. Now dash is the net flow of charges per unit time across a cross section of the conductor, that is electric current. The SI unit of current is ampere. The work done in moving a unit charge from one electrode of the cell to other is equal to the potential difference. The SI unit of potential difference is volt. Dash is the rate of consumption of electrical energy, that is electric power. 1 HP or 1 horsepower equals to 746 watt. Dash wire carries all the current and is connected to a high voltage supply of 220 volt, that is live. The values of power and the voltage of an electrical appliance taken together is called its rating. Now state whether the following statements are true or false. Rewrite the false statements correctly. SI unit of power is watt, that is true. The commercial unit of electrical energy is horsepower, that is false. Electric power 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 3.6 into 10 raised to the power 6 joule, that is true. The electric power stations generate electricity at 220 volt potential and with an alternating frequency of 50 Hz, that is false. In place of 220 you will write 11,000. There are 5 types of wires used in the transmission of electricity from city substation to a home, that is false. 3 types. In place of 5 you will write 3. The amount of electrical energy consumed in a house is measured by a device called an electric meter, that is true. The consumption of electrical energy depends on the power of electric appliance and on the time for which they are used, this is true. Now next is tick the correct options. Electric fuse is always connected in series with live wire. Fuse wire is an alloy of tin and lead. A fuse wire should have low melting point, higher the current rating, thicker is the fuse wire. Now fill in the blanks. Dash is a safety device used to save the electrical appliances from getting damaged by breaking the flow of current in an electric circuit, that is electric fuse. Dash type fuse consists of 2 segments, one porcelain socket and other porcelain socket holder, that is cut out. On melting the fuse wire, dash the circuit breaks. All appliances in our homes are always connected in parallel to the mains supply. Dash is the process of connecting the metallic part of the high rating devices to the metal plate buried deep into the earth by a thick copper wire, that is earthing. When the live and neutral wires in a circuit come in contact with each other due to defective or damaged wiring, it results in short circuiting. Switches and fuse wires should be connected to the live wire. Now take the correct options. Who is known as the father of electricity? William Gilbert. An object that does not possess an electric charge on it is called a or an dash object, uncharged and neutral, both B and C. When a glass rod is rubbed with a piece of silk cloth, the silk cloth acquires negative charge. When an ebonite rod is rubbed with fur, the rod acquires negative charge. When a glass rod and a piece of silk cloth are rubbed against each other, the glass rod becomes positively charged and the silk cloth becomes negatively charged because electrons are transferred from the glass rod to the silk cloth. Now which of the following is not a conductor? Sulfur. The process of charging an object by keeping it in touch with a charged object is called charging by conduction. Fill in the blanks. Like charges repel each other. In the process of charging an object, there is a transfer of electrons from one object to the other. A substance that allows electric charge to flow through it is called a conductor. The process of charging an object by keeping it near a charged object without touching it is called charging by induction. In charging by induction, no charge flows from the charged object to the uncharged object. Now state whether the following statements are true or false. Rewrite the false statements correctly. Pith ball electroscope consists of a heavyweight and small non-conducting pith ball. That is false. In place of heavy, write lightweight. The disc of a gold leaf electroscope is made of copper. It is false. That is brass. When the gold leaf electroscope is used, the metal foils are unearthed. That is false. Earthed. When a glass rod rubbed with silk cloth is touched to the brass disc of the electroscope, the leaves converge. That is false. Diverge. When a negatively charged rod is brought close to the brass disc of the electroscope, the leaves diverge. That is true. Isaac Newton was the first to prove that the clouds get electrically charged during a thunderstorm. That is false. That is Benjamin Franklin. Now fill in the blanks. An electroscope is a device that is used to detect electrical charge on an object and its nature. When an object is touched with the metal disc of an uncharged electroscope, no movement in the gold leaves shows that the object is uncharged. The rapid flow of electric charge through the air between two oppositely charged clouds, seen as an intense spark of electricity in the sky, is called lightning. A lightning conductor is a device that is fixed on the top of tall buildings to protect them from being damaged due to lightning.